As he sends in the cross, that's the first goal from Fabio Gama. Right place, right time. Deadlock is broken. We are in for a game.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. If you are new here, you know what to do. Subscribe and hit that notification bell. I know most of you might have heard the news. Today we're going to talk about Abdul Ganiyu. I'm your host Clinton Leto, and let's talk about it now. So Abdul Ganiyu might leave Asante Kotoko at the end of the season. You know, fans are very angry, or they say they will be disappointed if a player like Abdul Ganiyu leaves for free. Now, if Abdul Ganiyu wants to leave, that is what some fans are saying. If Abdul Ganiyu wants to leave, the club should at least make money from the player transfer. So that is going to be a huge problem because the player's representative and the club are yet to reach an agreement over a contract renewal, and the season is about to end. And at the end of the season, at the end of the month, Abdul Ganiyu will be free to sign for any club, and I think he'll be leaving if Kotoko doesn't force, or the management doesn't force, to reach an agreement with his representative. Now, why are the contract negotiations difficult for the Asante Kotoko players? Do you know why? It's because of the signing on fee. Now, you know, all over the country, all over the world, in Europe and other leagues, signing on fee is one of the main reasons, one of the main clause you use to persuade a player to sign a new contract or to sign for a club. And that is the problem at Asante Kotoko, because we Asante Kotoko, they don't pay signing on fee, and that is the problem. And for you to stop paying signing on fee, it means you have to be offering a huge wage and bonuses to the players, and that is what the players at Kotoko want. They want you to, if you are not giving us signing on fee, increase the wage and some bonuses for us. That is the clauses you have to include if you are not going to put the signing on fee. So Abdul Ganiyu is willing to play for Asante Kotoko. He's a businessman. That's what I gathered. He's a businessman. He's willing. He wants to play for Asante Kotoko, but the club has to meet with his representative and reach an agreement. Once that agreement is reached, he is definitely going to renew his contract. So right now, Asante Kotoko have not reached an agreement with his representatives, and reports are stating that if it continues like this, Abdul Ganiyu will be leaving for free. Kotoko will receive zero amount of money when he moves to another club. So I don't know if Kotoko are trying to sign a few months contract so they can make money from a future sale, or they're about to give him a long-term contract. But reports are stating that they haven't come to an agreement. That is the main issue, and fans, I know you watching, you'll be very disappointed if Abdul Ganiyu will leave on a free transfer. Me personally, I'll be disappointed too, but we also have other players that can take take over whenever he leaves, or if he leaves at the end of the season. So I think that's all for today. I would like to know your thoughts. Put down in the comment section and tell me what you think. My name is Clinton Leto. Till next time, guys, goodbye.